Alright guys, so just want to do a quick Bitcoin update. Haven't done one of these in a while. Now what I'm looking at is these two channels here and the similar price action we had over here in 2022. Alright, so a lot of people call this a bear flag or whatever it's called. For me, it's just a simple channel. And because of the price action is so overlapping, it makes you think that this is actually a correction and not an impulse. And we had the same here. Basically, we had the same ABC here from November 2025 till January 13, 2026. Now, this looks very similar. Now, the reason I don't think this is going to be the start of another impulse up. So the reason I don't think this will go to all-time highs from here, and I might be wrong guys, this is just my analysis, this is just the way I see the market, and obviously things can change from day to day, week to week, but this looks like a lot like an ABC up. If this would have been a 5 waves move up, basically if this would have been the proposed wave 3, then it shouldn't have gone underneath this level here, which is the proposed level 1, proposed wave 1. And you can see we went Friday 22nd of May, so last Friday we even closed underneath it. Now targets to the downside, let me just delete this. I have marked this on the re-entrance on the channel. First target's been reached. That was the 318 of the move, and then the next target would be this zone here, which would be the bottom of the channel, and also the 618 golden pocket 61865. This will come in at 71Ks. Now I really think if this channel breaks, let me just get this off the screen. If this channel breaks, what are we left to work with? Well, I would be tempted to look at something like this. That's in case this channel breaks. We go SR levels as well. Sorry for the messy charts, guys. Just this is the way I work it. Next area of support would come in on this monthly, and also 618 of this fib extension at 58,968. And then the next one I would be interested in would be this one, this region here. 1-to-1 extension, a weekly level. So this is between 45 and 39K. Obviously lower than that, we don't, which I just don't know. It's too early to say. I think we'll just take price action day by day and see how it goes. But any lower than that, I would say 30,000, 30K, which would be a retest of the origin of this whole bull market we had. So up here. Obviously guys, like I said, things change, you know, we monitor the market all the time. If we start pushing back up from here, breaking the channel, you know, it can be going, it can also go up. But at the moment I just remain cautious. Now you see the stock market just keeps getting all-time highs. Now that's what's been keeping Bitcoin up for a bit, but you have to think about it as well in the sense of the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq is only held up and by a few select companies, semiconductor business, Nvidia and whatever. So the rest of the companies are not actually doing that good. Now, for me, ideally, I want Bitcoin to go in the low 40,000s, buy more in that area, and then we'll just wait for all-time highs, guys. This is, you know, the 4-year cycle has been going on, and I think it's still valid. So let's see. I'll see you in the next one.